Hello, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. Welcome back to Mother Fashion, a unique and inspiring destination dedicated to fashion, elegance, and the stories of iconic women from around the world. I created Mother Fashion with one clear purpose: to celebrate the power, grace, and style of women who have shaped our world through fashion, personality, and influence. From queens and princes to first ladies, actors, and everyday style icons. This channel brings you their full biographies, fashion journeys, and the legacies they have left behind. In today's fast moving digital world, I wanted to build a space that's not just trendy, but timeless. A channel where viewers like you can discover the untold stories behind the glamour, the history behind the elegance, and the humanity behind the fame. That's why every single day I upload fresh, engaging videos covering royal fashion icons like Princess Diana, Kate Middleton, Queen Rania, and Princess Charlene, First Lady, and world leaders such as Melania Trump, Michelle Obama, and others who use fashion as a voice. Fashion biographies of models, designers, influencers, and inspiring women from all walks of life, health and wellness topics, beauty secrets, and timeless style. Inspired by legendary women and much more with research based storytelling, elegant visuals, and calming voiceover style. Mother Fashion is more than a YouTube channel, it's a growing community for people who love elegant storytelling and powerful femininity. Whether you are a fashion enthusiast, a biography lover, or a royal followers, or someone who admires strong, graceful women, this is the channel for you. So if you have not already, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and share your videos with friends and family. Your support helps this mission grow and helps us keep telling stories that matter. Because here at Mother Fashion, we believe behind every stylish woman is a story worth telling. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Let's celebrate fashion, femininity, and inspiring together. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mother Fashion, for the latest royal updates, elegant fashion insights, and all things Princess Kate. Share this video with other royal fans because royal is always in style. Now let's begin the royal journey of Kate Middleton, from a commoner to the future Queen of England. Catherine Elizabeth Middleton, loving known as the Kate, was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, England. She grew up in a middle-class family with her parents Michael and Carly Middleton, who later founded a successful party supply business called Party Pieces. Kate was raised alongside her younger siblings Pippa and James in the quaint village of. It was during her time at university the Kate met Prince William. Their relationship slowly turned into the romance, and soon the media dubbed her Betty Kate as the world waited to see if she would become a royal bride. But remember, before we dive further, subscribe to Mother Fashion for more royal stories, and don't forget to share this video if you love Kate's journey as much as we do. After nearly a decade of dating and a brief breakup in between, Prince William finally proposed to Kate in 2010. During a trip of Kenya, he gave her Princess Diana's iconic sapphire engagement ring, making headlines around the world. Their wedding on April 29, 2011 at Westminster Abbey was watched by millions globally. The moment she walked down the aisle is that stunning Alexander McQueen gown. Kate Middleton officially became her Royal Highness the Duchess of Cambridge. Still watching? Then please hit the subscribe button on Mother Fashion and share this video with your friends. Royal elegance is worth spreading. From day one, Kate handled royal life with grace. She embraced charity work, supported mental health campaigns, and became a fashion icon admired globally for her timeless style. Over the years, she given birth to three royal children: Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis. Has continued to rise in popularity. Now known as Catherine, Princess of Wales, she stands beside Prince William, preparing for her future role as a Queen Consort of United Kingdom. And yes, if you have not already subscribed to Mother Fashion, right now for exclusive insight into the Kate's royal life, her fashion sense, and all the elegance that defines her. And please don't forget to share this video with fellow and watchers. Thanks for watching this journey of Kate Middleton, the girl who went from middle class roots to the future queen. This is Mother Fashion, your royal fashion destination. Subscribe, share, and stay elegant. Her makeup style is a natural and understated with a focus on enhancing her features. While Kat often plays it safe with her fashion choices, she is not afraid to take risks and try new trends. Some of Kat's most iconic looks include her wedding dresses and her 2012 Olympic Games outfits. As a fashion trendsetter, Kat's outfits are often emulated by fans and fashionists around the world. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your family and friends. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers in my channel, you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. However, I want to be honest with you, creating content every day, it's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks again for listening and I look forward to your continued support. Let's grow this channel together. So my beautiful viewers, before becoming a royal cat style while already turning heads, she favored classic time-lapse pieces with a touch of bohemian flair. As a royal cat's fashion choices are scrutinized worldwide, she is rising to the challenge, becoming a global fashion icon. Kat's daytime style is effortlessly chic. She often wears British designers and high street brands, making fashion accessible to all. So when it comes to evening events, Kat dazzles in glamorous gowns. She is a master of subtle yet striking fashion choices. Kat's accessories are always on point, from her trusty LK Bennett heels to her elegant fascinators. She knows how to complete an outfit. As a royal cat's life is one of luxurious. She attends exclusive events, wears bespoke designer pieces, and enjoys the finest things in life. Kat draws inspiration from fashion icons, past and present. She is often compared to Princess Diana for her classic elegant style. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She is a true style icon and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Thanks again for watching.